Councilwoman.
Yes.
I'm Councilman Wilbur Jennings of Ward 8. My photo was over on the no side. It's on the floor.
Sorry.
You gotta put it over there on the yes side. Can I just say, I'm gonna say something real brief. I recall I worked in a hotel, I washed dishes, I worked in housekeeping many years ago before most of you guys were born. And I know what it is to work in hotels, in restaurants, and washing dishes. It's tough work. You know, it's time now. I remember when I was working for $1.25 an hour, when I was working in the hotel. So let me tell you, it's about time, and we'll do what we can to make things better for all of you. So I support you. Keep up the good work, and I'll work with my colleagues, so hopefully we can bring something to the table for all of you. Okay?
Let's go.